little good peanut butter and chocolate. So we got one here, we got two. I'm gonna push down in the peanut butter. Wow. Now we're gonna pull out just a little bit, just like so. Does that not look good? I have hot oil, got pancake batter, and I got a spider. I'm gonna pour in the pancake batter right into the spider, just like so. I'm gonna let it fry for about 10 seconds. I'm gonna take your piece and dip off the oil. I'm gonna put it right in the center. Now I'm gonna take the rest of my pancake batter and I'm gonna pour it over it. Then we're just gonna barely dip into the oil on the top. We're looking to cook the sides. Plunge. Alright, so now we just need to take this off. Again, run your spoon and do just like I'm doing here. Just going to separate, just make sure it doesn't splash you. And now we're going to continue to cook again for that 10 seconds. Alright, so now I'm going to take out and let it drip just a little bit. Go to our plate here, where I have my other ones. And now it's on to the next step. So I have my butter melted, going to add in the brown sugar, also cinnamon, and then the banana liquor. I'm just going to spin this. Alright, so I'm going to let this reduce. The bananas. So I'm going to cut off the ends, put those to the side. I'm going to go right in halfway. Then I'm just going to follow the banana all the way to the stem. Pretty cool, pretty neat, huh? Alright, so now I'm going to take this off very easily. Just like so. I'm going to add them in. And we're going to continue to let the brown sugar melt. So now all you're going to do is start mixing around. Use your spoon and kind of dip it. We're going to pour over the tops. We want everything to get really, really hot. I have my rum. Everything's hot. And now it's the flambe time. This is really cool to do for your friends. Just make sure though the flame's going to get a little bit hot and also a little bit high. And so it's going to burn out in about 20 seconds. And so this is going to add a little bit of that alcohol kind of flavor to accentuate the brown sugar. Does that not look lovely? It's time to pour into the bowl. Wow, that looks absolutely wonderful. Alright, so now it's time for the assembly. So I'm going to take my sauce, place that on the plate. 1, 2, looks wonderful. I'm going to grab the pancake, I'm going to place right on top. Push down, make sure it's a little bit stable. Then we're going to go in with our bananas, Foster bananas. 2 for each layer. Place this here. Look at that brulee of it. Wow, that looks immaculate. But of course we're not finished yet, so bring in another star. It's going to be Chefclub vanilla. So get you a good little scoop, and we're going to put it right on top. And you have yourself the Bananas Foster peanut butter and chocolate pancakes. So enjoy. That's perfect. So I'm going to keep eating this. Alright, I'll see y'all later.